How many black dots can you find in the image? Note that the image is static, that it is not changing, and we are not fooling you. We give you 15 seconds to think. You can also pause the video only if you are not a genius. Your time starts now. You probably notice some black dots appearing at the location where grey bars cross when your eyes scan the image. However, no dots did actually appear or disappear. It is just an optical illusion. When you focus on such a crossing, you will see that there is no black dot at the location at all.
Thank you for watching my video, guys. Please make sure you like, you share, you care, and you subscribe my channel. I will see you soon.